Hey guys, just going to try to take a minute real quick to show you how this test plug can work. I've already got the compressor jacked up to about just under 50 psi, kind of simulating fuel system pressure there. Air molecules are a little smaller than your gasoline and oil molecules, so you normally don't have to test at higher pressures. But if you want the peace of mind, go ahead, crank it up. I've got my my air chuck hissing here. It's pretty typical of these things. You can use a permanent connection there and that won't happen, which might be the better thing to do if you're going to be doing a lot of this. I've got my soapy water here, start hitting the fittings, and I can see that this pin here, little pinhole, it's a securing pin for that part of the fitting, is got a tiny little air leak there. Whether that actually leaks with fuel or not, yet to be seen. It's really small with air. Let's try the other side. This one's pretty bad, I think. Yeah, for sure, because it was blowing those bubbles out quickly. So that's a pretty more drastic leak, really. And looks like the fitting between the red and the black part is leaking a little bit as well. See if we can get that. Yeah, there you go. Bubble just started there. So there's your reminder. Don't use cheap eBay fuel lines. This is some no-name stuff from eBay from 10 years ago, and had I used this, it would have made a mess. So just head on over to Monkey Fab, buy their AN hoses and fittings. They've got great stuff at great prices, and pick up some of these AN test plugs to test all of your different hose connections. We've got from -6 to -24. You can test your oil lines, fuel lines, coolant system lines, whatever you want. Make sure that you get that stuff checked before you make a mess in your car.